Assalamu alaikum. I hope that you are doing well. So today I'm going to share with you that how to follow doctors on Instagram. As we know, Instagram mainly works for hashtags. Whenever we upload a post on Instagram, and this kind of post like according to like hashtag we get post. For example, if I need to find out someone on Instagram, so simple I will search on the search bar. For example, I need a footballer. Okay, just I'm just going to type on footballer, sorry. Yeah, football. Okay, just you can see like those who are footballer or those are interested in playing football, so this kind of people post it by using this hashtag. So just simply notice it. Okay, maybe it's not here, but actually mostly we will get this. Okay, so I think they have lots of followers, so that is why they don't think that actually they need to use this kind of hashtag for finding. Just okay, just as I was talking, just if I want to follow doctors, so how will us find them? So simply we will search on the search bar like doctor. Sorry, I made a mistake. Doctor. Yeah, you can see doctor. Here is 16.1 million posts available. Just you can see. Okay, just if I search. Okay, so you can see there is a lots of doctors has posted, and like so actually I have at least one. Okay, so you can see one post here. Like it's related to physical, and one doctor maybe posted this kind of post, and if I want to follow them, so simply I will press on this icon and then I will press and follow. So you can see currently this person has a lots of followers, and actually I already follow a lot of people, so that is why Instagram is not uh, give me this permission for following. But if you don't follow a lot of people, so then you will have this kind of opportunity, means you will can follow them. Okay, just you can simply follow them, and you also just for getting follow back, you will like one post. I don't know, I will can or not, just you will like this post and you will comment like nice, good work, good for example, good work. Just by doing that things, inshallah you will can grow your followers.